A structural steel building is one of the safest and most cost-effective structures available today. And a structural steel building by Doosan Vina will stand the test of time, be a solid investment, and one that will grow with your company or organization for decades to come. By selecting Doosan Vina to be your partner, you are choosing a company with over 100 years of history and a global reputation for quality and integrity. Doosan Vina's structural steel business grew out of a need for sophisticated design, engineering, and on-site assistance that is required in the power sector. That experience has now grown, and we offer and apply that superior expertise to the design, engineering, and construction of structural steel buildings of any scope and scale. Doosan Vina Structural Steel Design Department has nearly 40 engineers, technicians, and workers who are backed up by 20 years of experience that comes from a core of Korean experts. This team of professionals stands ready to design and engineer a bespoke steel structure to your exact specifications and needs. Doosan Vina applies the highest standards of design and engineering to optimize customer satisfaction. We are one of the most reputable companies in the world and have successfully designed, engineered, fabricated, and assembled structural steel buildings for projects all over the world. In Korea, the 1,000-megawatt Shinboryong power plant and the 350-megawatt Yeosu boiler are in Doosan structural steel buildings. In Chile, you'll find the 532-megawatt Cochrane power plant and the 375-megawatt Red Dragon power plant in a Doosan structural steel building. And in Libya, a 350-megawatt boiler in Tripoli also sits in one of our projects. Here in Vietnam, we've supplied the structural steel for the 1,200-megawatt Mong Nhung 2 power plant, the 1,200-megawatt Vinh Tan 4 power plant, the 1,200-megawatt Song Hao 1 power plant, as well as the 600-megawatt Vinh Tan 4 extension power plant. Together with our skilled Vietnamese employees and Korean engineers from Doosan, who have more than 20 years of structural steel design experience, our quality assurance staff are among the best in the world and follow every step of the manufacturing process to ensure your needs are met and our products are top quality. Our quality assurance division strictly follows practices dictated by organizations like ASME, ISO, and Bureau Veritas. We are proud to announce that we've achieved a 99.4% NDE acceptance rate, and we hold 15 quality assurance certificates from these global organizations. Our quality assurance division is equipped with the latest software, the newest NDE testing devices, and a state-of-the-art laboratory. This assures you that the quality of the material and the specifications of that material are met on arrival and at all steps in the production process. Our impeccable quality is a result of intense management systems that track projects from beginning to end. Visualization puts important information at the work site, and check sheet makes sure every aspect of production is adhered to. And with indoor climate-protected workspace, we can control the environment to ensure that weather is not a factor for quality or delivery. Our state-of-the-art technology, modern production facilities, as well as the most qualified technicians, makes Doosan Vina a structural steel supplier that is recognized globally for its quality, value, and long-lasting buildings. One of our many strengths is our in-house production process. Our structural steel is designed, fabricated, and assembled by Doosan at Doosan, and it is shipped from our dedicated and purpose-built port. It's all done at our complex and by our employees. This allows us seamless end-to-end tracking of your project and our documentation. Record keeping and certification is without question one of the best ways to be sure quality is maintained at every step. In addition to ISO and ASME standards of operation, we employ additional systems to be sure the project flows smoothly and guarantees customer satisfaction. One such system is called visualization, which allows us to put project-critical information such as the proper welding material, acceptable range of amps, and necessary voltage required to create a perfect weld. This information is displayed in real time on gauges, monitors, and readouts for the welder at his work site. With a color-coded, easy-to-read master schedule, visual progress maps, and a pacemaker, we monitor projects at all phases in the manufacturing process, and all are backed up with check sheets to ensure the accuracy of production and assure on-time delivery. With these systems and the industry's most skilled designers, technicians and engineers who employ cutting-edge technology and advanced management systems, our shops are in class by themselves. We have the most modern and up-to-date enclosed indoor production facilities in the region, and we have the capacity to produce 40,000 tons of structural steel per year. Doosan is well known for product quality, the value of its long-lasting buildings, and prompt professional after-sales service. We have a team ready to respond immediately to any need and assure you that your requests will be handled quickly and professionally. Our specialties are in relation to structural steel for power plants, refineries, and heavy industry complexes, but our scope and scale is limitless. And with our own dedicated seaport, we can provide prompt and convenient delivery anywhere in the world. And if modular delivery is needed, our in-house design and engineering team can create products that will meet this or other special needs in order to save time, money, and fit the requirements of the project site. For a power plant, we can provide all the steel, including heavy girders, ceiling girders, built-up beams, roll profiles, anchor bolts, high-tension bolts, gratings, enclosures, crane girders, and more. For refineries, we can supply buildings of any scope and scale, as well as pipe racks for the mining industry. You can rely on us to manufacture all the processing and steel needed for the operation. Our scope, scale, and abilities are the best in the business, and we look forward to working together to create a project that will be a sound and growing investment for decades to come. Doosan's fully integrated team of management professionals and production systems can take your project from concept to completion. We offer turnkey, or a la carte services, and will guide the project through procurement, design, fabrication, shipping, and erection, and will be supported with technical assistance at your site. Doosan Vina is ready and able to take on your project, and we will see that it is successful and completed to your satisfaction.